In this video, I'd like to show you the most frequent reasons why Boolean doesn't work properly. I often receive this question on the comment when I upload a modeling tutorial, so I hope this video helps you. Oh, by the way, I used a free add-on called BoolTool to use Boolean more easily. I'd like to suggest that activating it. Before moving on to the main topic, let's go over how to use Boolean. Basically, using Boolean requires the cutter, and the shape of the cutter decides how the form of the mesh will be changed. Pressing Ctrl- will be the most used function, and this applies direct difference to an object. On the other hand, pressing Ctrl and plus will allow you to add the selected objects to the active object. Finally, Ctrl and / will slice the object. When you applied it, the object will be divided into two objects. Yes, those three functions are how Boolean works. Now let's go on to the main topic of this video. Okay, so first reason is that not recalculate normal before using booleans. When you leave the object faces inside out, Blender tends to interpret object's data in a totally opposite way. I'd like to show you the example now. Let's duplicate a cube and use this as a cutter. When you activate the face orientation, those objects are blue, which means their normals are set property. So I'm going to flip three faces which are attached to the other object. Press Shift N and turn on inside. Now let's select both objects and press Ctrl-. As you can see, the cutter didn't subtract the targeted object property. Let's try Ctrl+ to union. This seems like difference function, but needless to say, it's not perfect and the outcome is not as expected. Consequently, in order to avoid this result, you need to recalculate normal with Shift N before cutting object. Second reason is interior faces. Interior face means that there's an edge or face inside the object and it's not supposed to be there. Basically, those edge or face will not be created when you use extrude, bridge fill, and so on. However, when you fill it up manually, sometimes it accidentally remains inside the object. And when you use this object as a cutter, the cutter will create a face on the targeted object. On the other hand, when you cut the object which has a face inside the object, this will not create an unwanted artifact. I think this is because the cutter will cut the whole object, including interior faces. Anyways, make sure that not leaving face or edge inside the object. That's the most easy and safe way to avoid this problem. And finally, the third reason is the distance between vertices are too close, so it pinches the mesh near them. For example, let's say I want to use Boolean on the subdivided sphere. As you can see, unlike cutting the cube, the sphere has a lot of vertices, so after applying Boolean, it creates new vertices and almost overlap with existing one. Adding bevel modifier removes glitches, but it also removes round and smooth edges. When you deactivate clamp overlap to remain soft edge, glitches will show up again. Therefore, the most easiest way to solve this that keeping vertices distance from where boolean is used. So that's it. Those are the 3 reasons of why Boolean sometimes doesn't work properly. I hope it was useful. If you like it, please thumbs up. I will see you in the next one.